Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the topic from class 11, which is said to be physical fitness and wellness. Well, you need to know the definition of this particular term, which is said to be that this is a kind of ability of any of the individual with which they are carrying their day-to-day activity and task with optimal level of performance, and they are managing their fatigue and stress also. They are getting time to do some leisure kind of activities also along with the other things. When we talk about physical fitness, there are some of the key components which are working behind this fitness, said to be strength, endurance, flexibility, speed, and body composition. So let's move forward towards the next topic about which we are going to talk is wellness. Physical fitness was one of the thing, and this wellness is going to be the another thing. You need to know that when we have to define wellness, we have to keep in mind that this is a kind of holistic integration of the different dimensions which are said to be physical, mental, and social well-being. This is the kind of fitness or wellness which is not just going to talk about the absence of disease, but it is much more than that. Talking about wellness, we have to consider some of the dimensions which are said to be physical. And in the physical wellness, you have to talk about regular exercises, balanced diet and nutrition, the proper amount of sleep and rest, etc. The another dimension is talking about the emotional wellness, where any of the individual is just facing the stress, the self-awareness, how they are managing the stress is actually the main term and concern. Apart from that, the social wellness is there, where we are talking about the healthy relationship, the communication skills, the adjustment with other individuals. Mental or intellectual wellness, where we are going to talk about what are the things which are going to work on the problem solving factors or the points which are related to much more about the problem solving. Another is the process with which we are learning something throughout our life or long lasting through the lifelong learning, for example. The last dimension of wellness about which we have to talk, which we have to know, is spiritual wellness, where the meaning and purpose of life is going to be defined, explored, and explained. This lifestyle and wellness is also going to talk about that what kind of lifestyle an individual is following their daily routines. Defining this lifestyle could be like that it is the typical way of life or the day-to-day daily habits and behaviors of any of the individual that are going to affect their health and well-being. A healthy lifestyle includes, again, the regular physical activities. You don't have to be, stagnant. The proper amount of diet or the balanced diet. Apart from that, advocate sleep with which you are taking proper rest. Avoiding smoking, alcohol, or any kind of drugs for that healthy lifestyle. And yes, your positive social interaction is also one of the prime concern these days, which is sometimes neglected by some of the individuals. So you have to take care of that also, defining or following a good healthy lifestyle. Where we are going to talk about these all aspects of fitness, wellness, and lifestyle, there are some importance which we need to consider regarding each of the term. When we talk about physical fitness, you have to always keep in mind that it is going to talk about the enhancement of body strength and stamina, what kind of activity you are doing with which you are getting the stamina or endurance, how you are working on your body, or how what kind of food intake is there which is going to boost the immunity system, what exercises are there, how you are going to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, or it could be obesity and other things, how you are going to improve your posture and flexibility, how you are going to enhance performance in terms of sports and academics as well. So these are some of the points which are related to fitness we have to work upon. Now, talking about wellness, it is going to lead to a balanced mental health. much more about the mental health. It is going to talk about the increasement of the resilience to stress. So you have to keep in mind, this is one of the most important point. This is going to promote happiness and quality of life. Also, it is going to support positive self-image and emotional stability. Apart from that, what is the important point or importances of healthy lifestyle? When we talk about a healthy lifestyle, it is going to build discipline and time management. Everyone is not disciplined, everyone has not the proper time management. Again, it is going to prevent the lifestyle diseases. It is going to improve focus, memory, and learning capacity of any of the individual. Yes, adding more to it, it is going to encourage the long-term well-being and life satisfaction to any of the individual. You have to work regularly with consistency on your lifestyle habits and behaviors. It is not a one-day task. You have to, slowly and gradually you have to work upon these of the aspects to get a healthier life, fit lifestyle with health and wellness.